how to disable real-time defender on your PC. So if you want more tutorials like this, click that subscribe button and that bell icon on so you'll be notified if there are more updates. So click on the start button and go to Windows Security. So this is an app on your Windows, just open it. And under here, go to Virus and Threat Protection. So there are a few settings that we are going to tweak here. Just like this one. So this would open up your Windows Defender. So the first thing is to turn this off. So once that is turned off, the second thing to do is go again to your start button and click or search edit group policy. So once you are here, we have a few steps, just follow it. In which folder I am going to show you. And here you should go to Microsoft Virus and real-time defender. So turn off real-time defender. And here we could see if it is enabled or disabled. There you go. So if you want to disable, just click on disable and click on OK. So that's it guys. I hope this helps you and see you on the next video.